Okay, let's evaluate the integral from 1 to 6 of the integral from 1 to 2 of x divided by y plus e to the x dy dx. So having the differential dy first means we integrate the inner integral with respect to y. So if we do that, we'll still have the outer integral there, but if you integrate starting with x over y, well, what's the integral of 1 over y? It's the natural log of the absolute value of y. So this will be x. When we integrate with respect to y, we'll get x times the natural log of the absolute value of y plus e to the x y. But we have to evaluate this from 1 to 2. We still have the dx out here. So this is from y equals 1 to y equals 2. So don't plug in for x. So what does that become when we plug in y equals 2? Well, we get x natural log of just 2. You can, absolute value of 2 is 2, so you can drop the absolute values. Plus just, let's make it e to the x times 2, or how about just 2e to the x? And then we'll plug in the lower limit, subtract it off. When you plug in 1 and take the natural log of 1, you get 0. And then plug in 1 here, you'll just get plus e to the x. And then we still have the dx here. Oops. Let me try and fix that. Okay. That doesn't look much better, but okay, I think you got the idea. Before you try to integrate again, let's combine a couple like terms. So we get the integral from 1 to 6 of x natural log of 2. We have 2e to the x here minus e to the x here. That's just plus e to the x, isn't it? dx. Now this is just a regular calculus 1 type integral. Let's integrate with respect to x. We'll get 1/2 x squared. Let's move the natural log of 2 in front of the x. 1/2 natural log of 2 times x plus the integral of e to the x is just e to the x. And evaluate that from 1 to 6. So that means we get, let's see. When I integrated this, I should have had x squared over 2. Oh, yes. Okay. So I messed up a little bit right there. Fixed it. So now plug in the 6, and we get 1/2 natural log of 2 times 36. Plug in 6 there, plus e to the 6. Minus, now plug in the lower limit, 1/2 natural log of 2 times, well, 1. 1 squared is 1. Plus e to the 1. So we're subtracting off that entire quantity. If we do that, okay, we get 1/2 natural log of 2. Actually, let's rewrite that as, you could think of it as 36 over 2. I could write that as 18, but I think I'm going to need to combine it with the natural log of 2 statement over here. So I'll leave it 36 over 2, natural log of 2, plus e to the 6th minus 1/2 natural log of 2 minus just e. And then, look, this guy here and this guy here, we could think of these guys as like terms. And if you combine them together, you get 35 over 2 natural log of 2 plus e to the 6th minus e. And that's your answer.